Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Election day. It's a really big day. I think there's a lot of uncertainty out there what's happening. But somehow I feel that the gold and silver markets already knew it was happening, and the prices have already been factored in. Despite our down day this last week, we're back to that $1,900 plus level. And I can't imagine it changing much, but however, we're in really for surprising times. Whoever thought we would have had some virus that would have shut us down for months and months and months and months, completely destroyed business, whether you think it was the virus or whether you think it was the political decisions by the people that are running the government and the officials. Either way, it's been a very surprising year. And the fact that precious metals are up today really doesn't surprise me much, because yesterday I said unless we saw some kind of dollar strength or a collapse in the stock market, I felt that we were going to see about the same prices and up a little bit, and that's exactly what we've got here. A little bit higher prices. I am tying gold, silver prices to the dollar lately. It seems to run in tandem with the dollar, not really in tandem, but kind of in reverse. You know, if the dollar dumps, gold seems to do well, as does silver, and vice versa. So anyway, it seems to be more of a dollar-related play of late. And as I said, also, if you see a stock market collapse, which I think we will, regardless of who wins the election tonight, at some point, it's going to dump. So at some point, it's going to dump. Everyone's acknowledges. Everyone's surprised it hasn't really happened to some degree already. But at some point, it's going to dump. At some point, the dollar is going to do really terrible, because there's one thing that Donald Trump has not separated himself from as far as Biden. Neither one of them are fiscal conservatives, that's for sure. They both don't mind spending trillions of dollars and printing a lot of money to bail out this country. Trump proved that with his CARES Act, and Biden wouldn't have done much differently. So anyways, neither one of these guys are truly fiscal conservatives. Neither one of these guys really want to put taxpayers and voters through the pain that we really need to go through in order to get through this situation. They want to just keep kicking the can down the road until it's just completely unfixable and we're all screwed. But that's why you own precious metals, folks. Anyways, not going to go into a long political story, and let's see what happens tomorrow. And, there's uncertainty in the air. However, rest assured that I have no bias in either side. Maybe I do a little bit. I'm not too fond of socialist, Marxist, and people that light cities on fires. But no less, as a libertarian, I did not vote for Joe Biden. I did not vote for Trump. And I've got kind of a little different view than most people's of the whole thing, which is probably good for us as far as these reports go, because I'm not going to be biased by political parties in my decisions on which way I think metals are headed. And where are metals headed? Overall upwards. Why? Because neither party can really save the dollar. And that's just my opinion. It's a fiat currency. It's going south. It always has been and it always will. So I'm going to kind of refrain from giving a report on what I think is going to happen tomorrow as far as the markets go. We got an up day, but, it's kind of a weird situation. So you know what? I'm going to toss the coin here, which I can edit in my little video toss here into my video here, obviously. So I'm going to do a little video toss here, and give me 1 second while I switch over to the video mode to do this. And let's see what the coin says. So let's do this coin toss. I think this pine side table is actually doing what everyone is thinking tonight as far as elections go. One side has the expression like this, the other side is going to have an expression like this. Either way, let's toss this coin and see what happens. What does the coin think the market's going to do tomorrow? Very interesting. The coin says, bull market. Well, the coin has spoken. And and the uncertainty is, I still don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We could be up or we could down. I think whatever happens tomorrow in precious metals is extremely temporary. And it'll adjust itself out this week. And overall, we are in a bull market. Everything's going to go up, 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 up. As far as product prices out there right now, still Krugerrands I think are the absolute best deal if you want to buy gold in a recognizable form. If there's cheaper products out there, we will tell you when you come into our store. However, remember, we don't do online sales, we don't do over the phone sales, we only do in-person sales. But our recommendation, even if you don't live in our area, ask for Krugerrands. As far as silver, 90% U.S. coin, otherwise known as constitutional silver, is still the best deal out there. And whatever happens tonight, folks, relax, don't worry. We're all in fine shape. Overall, what I have learned is that don't trust the political classes to save you or to kill you. Look out for yourself, look out for your family, look out for your friends, and look out for your neighbors, and screw the political class no matter what happens. Anyway, Brian Kuzmar, Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. Have yourself a great evening, and wow, it's going to be exciting. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Have a great evening, and talk to you soon. Bye.